Wanting to change up your Instagram profile or wondering what the heck even to put in your Instagram profile? Did you know that what you put in your Instagram profile can be a big change on whether you get found on Instagram or not? It's true. Watch this video and I'll share with you. Thank you so much for being here. For more tips on how you can better your real estate business through the power of technology, then click on that subscribe button below and hit the ding bell to be notified when I post a new video every single Wednesday. I've had an Instagram account for a few years now myself, and because of it, I have people finding me and following me because of what is in my profile. So let me show you some tips on how you can do the same. All right, let me show you exactly my profile and how I have mine set up and how you can do the same. So let me turn on my trusty screen record here. First thing I'm gonna do is open up my Instagram, go here to my profile, and there's my profile. Click on the more so you can see it. Basically, your username here at the top is searchable. That's why I put my name in there. And then your first line here, where it's usually the name part on your profile, that is also searchable. So there's two parts in there that are searchable, and a lot of people actually miss out on this one. Right now, I'm gonna be changing this up, my accounts here right away, because I'm gonna have this account curated more for you guys so I can continue to give you tips, and I'm gonna create another profile for my team. But as you can see, I had this one as me as a realtor before, and that's why I put realtor and my city. Therefore, if somebody's searching for a realtor in my city, I'm gonna be found. So I highly recommend you do the same, whether you wanna put realtor, real estate agent, and then your city, your province, your state, and that way you can be found. And then within your profile, that's where I put my actual name again, so they know my name. I put what I'm about. So if you're coming to my account, this is what you're gonna get. This is what I am. For you as a real estate agent, what are somebody gonna get by coming and visiting your profile? What is it gonna be? Is it that you're a top producer? Is it that you enjoy selling $1 million homes? Is it that you're a first-time home buyer specialist? You're a condo specialist? Have something in there so that when people come, they know what to expect and they're gonna wanna follow you because of it. Don't just put everything. Don't just be putting the old salesy type stuff. Put it what is in it for the customer. This is not about what you're about, it's what's in it for the customer. What are they gonna get? And that's where in here I help realtors generate their own leads through Facebook ads. I'm a big advocate on Facebook ads. I run a course on Facebook ads. So when people come to my account, they see that, they know, okay, this is something that he does provide. Again, I'm probably gonna be changing this right away because I'm more in general technology. I teach technology to other realtors, so I might be kind of putting it towards that. And yeah, that way when somebody comes, checks me out, they know what it's all about. Then down on the bottom, you'll notice I've got this little link in here. You can put a link, and this is very valuable real estate on your account. You need to, there's only a couple places really that you can share links on Instagram. One's on your profile, another one is if you're DMing someone, you can send them a link. But on your actual posts or your stories, if you don't have at least 10,000 followers, you cannot put links. So this is very, very valuable real estate. If you click on mine, I used a link tree so that I've got a bunch, as you can see, I got a bunch of different places that people can go here. So you could do the same, or if you just have one, just put it right in there so people can click on it, it takes them to it, and you can change it up all the time. So maybe next month you want something different in there, but make sure there is a call to action there of something you want people to do and send them somewhere. So a few things to think about. A lot of people just put a very generic description. They don't think about it. They don't know that these two things are searchable. Now you know, so you can do better than the competition. Do you have any questions when setting up your Instagram profile? If so, comment below, let me know, and I'll answer you back. So again, the biggest thing to remember with all this, I want to reiterate, is you need to put some time, you need to put some attention into this, and you need to really figure out what you are wanting on your profile. And remember, that name at the top, like I said again, and the one at the bottom, those are both searchable. Very important. Make sure people can search those. This is basically like a website, so you want to make sure how your profile is being portrayed is just like you'd have your website. So if somebody's coming there, how they're going to find you, what you're about. That's all you need to remember. Just remember that this is a little mini website that you are putting on there, and put your information there along with that. Again, that link in there, change it up, do whatever you gotta do, and from there, let people know what your profile is about. Enjoy. Now that you know how to set up your Instagram profile to get people coming and finding you, but maybe you're wanting some immediate leads. If so, you're gonna wanna click on the link in my description below. In there, I have my free Facebook lead ad checklist, and this will show you step-by-step on how to set up an effective Facebook ad so you can have leads coming in the door right away. And when you're done here, don't forget to watch my prior videos I've done on Instagram. And please, if this was beneficial, give me a like, comment, subscribe, and share with your fellow realtor friends.